I eat breakfast every day.
I eat breakfast every day.
I ate breakfast every day.
I ate breakfast every day.
You play soccer on Saturdays.
You play soccer on Saturdays.
You played soccer on Saturdays.
You played soccer on Saturdays.
He likes ice cream.
He likes ice cream.
He liked ice cream.
He liked ice cream.
She reads a book.
She reads a book.
She read a book.
She read a book.
It rains a lot in spring.
It rains a lot in spring.
It rained a lot in spring.
It rained a lot in spring.
We go to school.
We go to school.
We went to school.
We went to school.
They work in an office.
They work in an office.
They worked in an office.
They worked in an office.
I drink water.
I drink water.
I drank water.
I drank water.
You study English.
You study English.
You studied English.
You studied English.
He lives in a big city.
He lives in a big city.
He lived in a big city.
He lived in a big city.
She sings a song.
She sings a song.
She sang a song.
She sang a song.
It smells good.
It smells good.
It smelled good.
It smelled good.
We learn new things.
We learn new things.
We learn new things.
We learn new things.
They watch TV.
They watch TV.
They watch TV.
They watch TV.
I walk to the park.
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 You talk on the phone.
You talk on the phone.
You talked on the phone.
You talked on the phone.
He writes an email.
He writes an email.
He wrote an email.
He wrote an email.
She cleans her room.
She cleans her room.
She cleaned her room.
She cleaned her room.
It shines brightly.
It shines brightly.
It shone brightly.
It shone brightly.
We help our friends.
We help our friends.
We helped our friends.
We helped our friends.
It stops raining.
It stops raining.
It stopped raining.
It stopped raining.
We open the door.
We opened the door.
We opened the door.
We opened the door.
They close the window.
They closed the window.
They close the window.
They closed the window.
I push the button.
I pushed the button.
I push the button.
I pushed the button.
You pull the rope.
You pull the rope.
You pulled the rope.
You pulled the rope.
He buys groceries.
He buys groceries.
He bought groceries.
He bought groceries.
She sells clothes.
She sells clothes.
She sold clothes.
She sold clothes.
It costs a lot.
It costs a lot.
It cost a lot.
It cost a lot.
We pay the bill.
We pay the bill.
We paid the bill.
We paid the bill.
They receive a gift.
They receive a gift.
They received a gift.
They received a gift.
I give a present.
I give a present.
I gave a present.
I gave a present.
You take a photo.
You take a photo.
You took a photo.
You took a photo.
He brings flowers.
He brings flowers.
He brought flowers.
He brought flowers.
She carries a bag.
She carries a bag.
She carried a bag.
She carried a bag.
It holds water.
It holds water.
It held water.
It held water.
We find lost items.
We find lost items.
We found lost items.
We found lost items.
They lose their keys.
They lose their keys.
They lost their keys.
They lost their keys.
I show you my drawing.
I show you my drawing.
I showed you my drawing.
I showed you my drawing.
You tell a story.
You tell a story.
You told a story.
You told a story.
He asks a question.
He asks a question.
He asked a question.
He asked a question.
We understand the lesson.
We understand the lesson.
We understood the lesson.
We understood the lesson.